Hello, today I want to walk you through how to customize your own keepsake through the Pokidots website. So I went to pokidots.com. This is the Pokidots homepage. This pop-up is going to come up this week because it's leading up to the private sale on Friday. You need to be signed up to be able to access the private sale. So to start, you go to personalization up here or start personalizing button. And this is the page that contains all of the options available to customize your own keepsake, starting with frame colors. All of them are 12 by 16 inches. Then for each keepsake style, you have the list of customization options. For example, for the camping, there's only one thing you have to decide, which is if you want a first name or not. For the heart, there's a couple of things. If you want a first name and or a sentence, because there's space for a sentence, and you have the option to have a colored mat on these. For the sailboat, there's a brown one and a gray one. So each style has a list of the things that you can customize. So let's say you want to go with the fashion keepsake. You look at the girls, you choose which one you like most, you choose the hair and skin color, and then you click under it to make your choices in here. So let's say you went with the Monique. This is Monique, and then dark blonde. Let's say you chose medium skin, and then you want the black frame. If you want a first name, you put it here. You add it to the cart, view cart, you make your payment with a credit card, and that's it.